Hi guys, today we'll be solving the fourth day's problem of March Lead Coding Challenge 2021. The problem's name is intersection of two linked lists. It is quite a simple problem, but if you are getting started with linked lists, you might find it a bit tricky. So there are many ways to do this problem. We'll be solving this using a method where we iterate through the whole linked list A and linked list B continuously until the head of node A in node the head of A and head B point to the same element. So let's read out the problem statement and understand it better. While write a program to find the node at which the intersection of two single linked lists begin. For example, the following two linked lists, A has elements A1, A2, C1, C2, C3. B has elements B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So the intersection begins from node C1. So we need to return a head pointer which points at C1, which starts from C1. Okay, so let's look at the example. Example 1 says A has elements 4, 1, 8, 4, 5. B has elements 5, 6, 1, 8, 4, 5. So the intersection element is 8. So we need to return 8. Similarly, we have the second and the third example. In the third example, there are no intersection nodes, so we return null. So let's see how we can do it. We have notes here. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, return null. The linked list must retain the original structure after this function returns. Okay, the structure shouldn't change. You may assume there are no cycles anywhere in the entire linked list. Correct. So this is it is not a continuous linked list. It is not a cyclic linked list. Each value on each linked list range from 1 to 10 raised to 9. Okay, your code should preferably run on order of n time and order of n space. Okay, so we need to have just one loop and no dynamic extra spaces. So let's see how we can do it. If head of A is points to null or head of B points to null, then we return null. This means if the pointer A, head of A, this next element points to nothing. So we return null. Similarly, with respect to B. So if the linked list is only empty, then what are we iterating through? So that is why there is no intersection point and we return null. So let's start writing the actual code. We'll make two pointers. So we have made two pointers, pointer A and pointer B. Pointer A points to head A and pointer B points to head B because we're going to iterate through the whole linked lists, both the linked lists together till the point where pointer A is not equal to pointer B. So we want to iterate it such that both of them points to the same value or the same node. Sorry. So let's see if pointer A equals to null, we'll set it to head of B because we want to iterate both the linked list through using one pointer. Else pointer A equals to pointer A dot next. Similarly, we'll do it with B. Pointer B null pointer to head of A. Else pointer B equals to pointer A dot next. Now we can either return pointer A or pointer B because both are pointing to the same value. So let's check what is going to be the output individually. We'll check by commenting one. Let's run. The intersection is at 8. If we return pointer A, let's see what happens if we return pointer B. The same happens. So let's try to submit it. The answer is accepted. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.